Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to make abstract sculpture at home using homemade clay. Watch the video till end and don't forget to subscribe the channel. First of all, take a wire and join the ends of it by twisting. Now make a shape of it as I am making. Take any cuboidal shape thing. Here I am using thermocol, you can use wooden block also. Insert the wire into the thermocol. This is homemade clay. I made it using soap and maida and few other materials. And in this video I am going to use clay tools which I had made earlier. If you want the tutorial of this, then comment below. Follow the step as I am doing. You have to just layer the clay on the thermocol. Take a circular cardboard and join the thermocol on it using white glue or Fevicol. Make sure that clay on thermocol is dry. Follow the steps as I am doing. Insert the wire into the thermocol. Again follow the same steps. You need practice and patience to complete this sculpture. Now sculpture is almost ready. These are the few sketches or portraits made by me. When it will dry, color it using white glue. Here I am coloring it with white color. Now sculpture is ready. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have a nice day.